Discover Rotterdam, a vibrant Dutch city boasting a modern skyline along the banks of the New Meuse River. Nicknamed the Manhattan on the Meuse, exploring this city takes you on a journey through time, art, and tales of resilience. Escape the crowds in other famous cities and discover Rotterdam's charm, renowned for its lively port and vibrant cultural scene. From medieval roots to contemporary flair, Rotterdam invites you to explore its rich heritage and dynamic spirit. Join us as we explore this dynamic European traveler's delight. Start your Rotterdam tour atop the iconic Euromast Tower and enjoy panoramic vistas of the city. Standing at 185 meters, it's the city's tallest landmark. It can get quite chilly up there, so remember to bring warm clothing. Dine at the tower's restaurant or opt for a luxury stay in one of its 2 suites. If you're feeling adventurous, you can try abseiling or zip-lining down. Next, explore priceless art collections at the Museum Boijmans-van Beuningen. The museum, a major art hub in the Netherlands and Europe, houses an impressive array of paintings, sculptures, and decorative arts spanning centuries. Watch out for special events like the depot opening, offering a rare peek into the museum's storage and unseen artworks. Next, take an exciting walking tour of Rotterdam and discover its stunning architecture. Discover why this city stands out globally for its bold building designs and innovative technologies. From towering skyscrapers to unique structures like the Marktthal, floating office and farm, Rotterdam boasts architectural wonders aplenty. Learn about its post-war reconstruction, ongoing projects, and local impact in an informative and accessible tour, starting from Rotterdam Central Station. Dress weather appropriate and get ready for a fascinating exploration. Next, visit the Rotterdam Market Hall, a hub of culinary delights and stunning design. Since its 2014 debut, it's drawn millions with its unique art-shaped structure and vibrant interior. Designed by the MVRDV firm, its glass facade houses an indoor market, residences, shops and parking. Check out the colossal mural The Horn of Plenty by Conan and Roskam, and indulge in cuisine made from recipes from all over the world at its 100-plus food stalls. The Marktthal Rotterdam is the perfect spot for exploring Rotterdam's food scene. Next, take a pleasant stroll around the Old Harbour and Marine Museums. Rotterdam's Old Harbour, part of the vibrant Maritime district, hosts restored historic boats and cosy houseboats. Enjoy cafe views, boat repairs, and glimpses of maritime history. Nearby, the Maritime Museum showcases Rotterdam's seafaring legacy with ship models and ancient vessels. Explore the open-air Maritime Museum harbour, housing 19th-century ships like the ironclad Buffel. When you're up for a refuel, dine aboard the SS Rotterdam, a ship transformed into a hotel and museum, or let kids captain their own vessels at the Kids Marina. Next, explore priceless global cultural collections at the World Museum Rotterdam. This museum boasts a wide-ranging collection of more than 1,800 artifacts representing diverse global cultures. Established in 1883, it provides an enthralling exploration of both ancient and contemporary civilizations. Next, visit the Rotterdam Zoo. Established in 1857, it is one of the Netherlands' oldest zoos, famed for its successful wildlife breeding programs. Marvel at young elephants and rare red pandas as they roam spacious enclosures mimicking their natural habitats. Explore diverse environments like the Asian swamp forest, Mongolian steppe, and Chinese garden. Check out the Oceanium Aquarium showcasing marine life from the Americas. Afterward, families can enjoy Plaswick Park with its boat rides, playgrounds, and petting zoo. Next, explore serene art pieces at the Het Nieuwe Instituut. Nestled beside Boijmans Depot, this institution highlights architecture, design, and digital culture. It's a hub for research, exhibitions, and educational programs, exploring modern and historical trends in these fields. With an extensive collection of Dutch architectural designs from various eras, it's a haven for enthusiasts. Next, visit the charming village of Kinderdijkto to see the famed Windmills. About 20 kilometers east of Rotterdam lies the quaint village of Kinderdijk, boasting 19 stunning windmills along picturesque canals. This landmark has now been designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is a perfect escape from city life, offering a glimpse into Dutch countryside charm. Named after a legendary flood event, each windmill holds centuries of history. Explore museums in the Blukwa and Nederwoord mills, or take a canal tour for a delightful experience in this beloved Dutch destination. Next, Explore the iconic cube houses of Rotterdam. In the heart of the city stand the iconic cube houses, designed by architect Piet Bloem in the 1980s. These unique homes, resembling tilted cubes atop hexagonal columns, create a surreal urban forest. Visit the Keek Kubus Museum to explore inside one of these cube houses, or even stay overnight at the Stay OK hostel for a true cube house experience. Next, take a pleasant boat tour of Europoort. Rotterdam's port, sprawling across half the city's 247 square kilometre area, is a sight to behold. Known as the gateway to Europe, Europoort is a busy, colossal complex. Join a sightseeing tour starting at Maislandkering near Hoek van Holland for an up-close view of the Surge Barrier. Evening tours offer stunning views of illuminated landmarks like the iconic Erasmus Bridge. Get ready for an unforgettable adventure in Europe's busiest port city. Next, visit the Great St. Lawrence Church. This church survived devastating bombings in World War II and stands as a symbol of Rotterdam's resilience and strength. Admire its Gothic architecture, stained glass windows, and the grand organ, which is the Netherlands' largest. Climb the 65-meter tower for breathtaking views and spot the bronze statue of philosopher Desiderius Erasmus. Explore the vibrant interior housing 3 Danish organs and intriguing bronze doors by Giacomo Manzo. Join a guided tour for a deeper understanding of this historical gem. Next, take a tour of the Maritime Museum. This museum offers an exciting journey through the city's maritime past and present. Located along the historic Loefhaven Harbour, it showcases 6 centuries of artifacts, from ship models to navigational instruments. Interactive exhibits engage visitors of all ages, while restored historic boats and steam-powered ships offer real-life experiences. Check out the open-air display of docked vessels and the port pavilion for insights into current port activities. Next, discover the Netherlands in miniature at Miniworld Rotterdam, perfect for family fun. This expansive attraction showcases famous landmarks and places across a 535 square meter space. With 150 trains running on 2.3 kilometers of tracks, it's an exciting model world that mirrors the city. Next, head to Museumpark, where you can explore 6 fantastic museums. Choose one or visit them all. Next, venture from Rotterdam's urban landscape to the breathtaking shores of Scheveningen, a mere half-hour away. Getting there unfolds as an adventure, offering scenic marvels along the way. Picture a delightful bike ride with friends, the wind guiding you towards the sun-kissed beaches. As you explore Rotterdam's dynamic attractions, don't miss this opportunity to extend your journey to Scheveningen, a quintessential European beach destination that promises unforgettable experiences for every traveller. Next, broaden your Rotterdam adventure with visits to nearby gems like Delft and The Hague. Delft enchants with its historic charm, renowned for its blue pottery and picturesque canals. Meanwhile, The Hague offers a rich cultural tapestry, boasting iconic landmarks like the Peace Palace and vibrant seaside vibes at Scheveningen Beach. These captivating destinations complement your Rotterdam experience, promising diverse delights for travel enthusiasts. Finally, take a stroll on the Erasmus Bridge. Spanning 802 meters across the Nieuwe Maas River, it connects the city's northern and southern regions. Designed by architect Ben van Berkel, it's both functional and strikingly modern, with sleek pylons and a unique shape. The cable-stayed bascule bridge boasts a sleek modern design with distinctive slanting pylons. More than just a traffic pathway, it accommodates cyclists, pedestrians and large ships, and during the 2005 Red Bull Air Race, it witnessed planes flying underneath. Experience impressive panoramic views from nearby spots like Roommate Bruno Hotel. Thanks for joining us on this adventure through Rotterdam, where each landmark tells the city's tale. Visit Manhattan on the Muse, take high-res Been Here photos, carry memorabilia, and write your own chapter in its dynamic story. That's it for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more travel adventures. Please share this video with your friends who love exciting travel experiences.